I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today I'm doing a short review on the WHILL Model C2. This is made by the WHILL Corporation. This is like a high-tech, futuristic portable power chair that breaks apart into multiple pieces. First thing I want to note about this is they made some improvements. The distance has been increased. It's around 12 miles per charge. Another improvement is they have this high back seat option, and there's different size seats on there. The original one was about 8 inches lower, so this is the high back seat. There is smaller seats as well that can get the entire width of this chair under 22 inches, so you could fit into a standard cruise ship door, but there is different size seats that you can get on this unit. The joystick's got a nice display that gives you the amount of charge left on your battery. You can increase the speed here. The speed goes up to around 5 miles an hour. The arms do flip up with a little latch here, so you can flip them out of the way and transfer from the side. Now the main thing about the WHILL is it's got nice suspension, but it's these omnidirectional wheels up front that allow you to kind of glide around. So you can see that they don't flip any caster wheels in your way. They rotate like this and it just glides around very smooth on hard top surfaces. I do like these wheels. They're rated for around 1,200 miles before they need to be replaced. The only issue is outside if you're in the grass. If you're sitting at a dead stop and then you start to turn, they might take a little bit to get the traction. But if you go in a wider looping motion, you'll have no issues. It's not made for anything crazy or all-terrain, but on hardtop surfaces and hardtop grass it'd be okay. Another cool feature about this is this has an app built in as well, so you can control this with your phone. You can pull up your user manual, your different specs. You can change different speeds from a sport mode to an eco mode. And then again, you can drive it through the app as well. Another neat feature about this chair is up front, this foot plate. One thing that I've noticed is you can stand on this. So that's weighted, this chair has a 300-pound weight capacity, and you can see I'm really rocking, and this chair is not moving forward. So if you have someone that needs to exit the chair, and they can put weight on that as they're exiting. It does flip up if you need to, but just know that that is a really neat feature on this chair. The other one is this is a water resistant chair. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. It's got a certain rating of like 15 minutes. You can't submerge this, but if it does start raining outside, they say it is water resistant. The only thing is in the battery, there's a little charging port cover. You want to make sure that is fully closed, or else water will get into the battery. But the battery does remove from the back here. The unit breaks apart pretty easily. I'm going to show you in a video overlay, kind of sped up what that looks like. The battery does remove as well. You can charge the battery from the port right on the battery. And then I'll have the weights listed at the two heaviest pieces, the front and the rear section of the heaviest pieces. So I'll have those weights listed on the screen as well. So once again, this is the WHILL Model C2. We have a full review. I'll have a link in the description for that and a link in the description for the current pricing. If you want to order one of these, go ahead and check that out. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'd love to help you out.